Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to discuss on the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart. We'll be talking about few technical tools like what could be the trend, what could be the direction, the levels for these two cryptocurrencies. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin first. Alright, so this is the daily chart, and we have seen on the last Friday we have seen a good fall, and the fall was around 10%, and now it's very much clear looking at the momentum, the price direction. After that Friday thing happened, you can see the price action. So we are getting a very small dozies or a spinning top, which it clearly means that looking at these candles, at least for the time being, for the short term, we are not looking any reversal, we are not looking any upside movement as of now. Also, if you look at 2-3 things more, and if you are watching our videos, so I have told you this thing earlier also, that we are now basically below than this very important support area that used to be the support area. Now it is a resistance area. So a very important level of 22,600, we are now trading below than that. Also, we have this trend line breakout, so we might able to see that price will be there on the downside below than this. Till the time the price is not going up, it's not closing above 22,600, we will not be sure that the price will able to close or go above than this 100 EMA. So yes, we are below than 100 EMA, we are below than I think 50 EMA as well, we are below than the support area, the important 22,600 and the trend line area. So now what could be the next movement? Basically we can expect a support now at 20,000. So again, if you remember, I think it's been around what to few months, right. So from June onwards, we have seen that the price was at the 20,000 level for some time, and then it started moving up. So this whole momentum, when the price started going up, so this whole momentum, I was also mentioning this time this thing many a times, that the price is basically lacking momentum. However, it's going up, but the upside momentum is completely lacking, and that is what exactly happened on 19th, where the price came down, closes below than this trend line. So now what could be the thing? One thing which looks interesting more, that the volumes are less. So again, there is a very less activity which is happening in the buyers and sellers. So now if a very good fall has to be done, so for that it has to be more volumes or more sellers in the market. So that is also lacking. So what we can expect, at least we can expect a small range bound activity. So for the time being, we can expect a resistance of 22,600, and we can expect a support at 20,000. This could be the you can say the level for, or the range for the Bitcoin. Now if you look at the Ethereum, so Ethereum is also trading below then the resistance area of 1725. But the one thing, or few things which looks interesting for the Ethereum, is that the price is still holding up this upward trend line, which is a good point. Secondly, the price is still hovering around at this 100 EMA. So this is something which is looking little relief, because if the price comes down, again we'll be getting a clear indication of a reversal. However, if you look at this the previous low breakout or something, we are getting a reversal signal. But one thing which looks interesting is that the price is just taking up the support of this 100 EMA as well as this trend line, also to the support area of 1510. So now till the time price is above than this, till the time the price is trading higher than this, we will be like getting another indication that price might able to come back again to the 1725 level. So for the Ethereum, we can expect a resistance at 1725, this area, and we can take a support at 1510. So these are the levels, and let's see what's going to happen, because if I look at the RSI also, just a second, let me confirm it. Yes, so RSI is also trading below than 50, so that might be a sign that we might able to see little more fall. And once the price or once the RSI reaches below 30 or at around 30, we might able to see another buying from there. So that would be a probability, but again, till the time the price is just holding up these two things, we are very much sure that okay, nothing gonna happen, and we can expect a little bit, the price will hover around at this level. So this is all I think from my side today. Please subscribe to the channel if you are liking this video. Like this video, hit the notification bell icon so that you won't miss out anything in future. So thank you so much for watching us.